Alexa, tell Deep Dive to answer what is the powerhouse of cell.
Here is the answer.
Avid cell.
Maybe one of the most famous membrane-bound organelles outside of the nucleus is what's known as the powerhouse of the cell, and that is the mitochondria. So I'll do this mitochondria in magenta because that's a nice, powerful color. So mitochondria, and I love mitochondria because it's fascinating how they even came to be. Mitochondria actually have their own DNA, and all of your mitochondrial DNA comes from your mother, and so that's actually very interesting for tracing maternal lineage. But mitochondria, this is where your, I'm going to say, let's see if we can see inside of this. This is where your ATP is produced. This is your mitochondria. It's really the powerhouse of the cell. What's interesting about mitochondria